information. The reason I'm pulling you over is because your windows up here way too dark. Have any marijuana in the car? Okay. I smell marijuana. Can you do me a favor and just shut the car off for me?
Bro, you gonna get me from a to marijuana, bro?
Listen. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Put it in park. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
On June 29, 2019, a Seminole County Sheriff's deputy spotted an SUV with illegal tint and quickly moved to stop it. What this officer didn't know yet was that the driver was a serial offender with more than 20 felony convictions spanning 2 decades. Someone so persistent, prosecutors said, that the longest he had ever gone without committing a crime was while he was in jail. Unaware of all that, the deputy approached the stop with no idea he was heading into the most dangerous traffic stop of his life, one that would nearly cost him his life.
Howdy. You mind putting down the back window, please, for me? All right, awesome. I'm Deputy Blazer with Seminole County Sheriff's Office. Before I ask you for any information, the reason I'm pulling you over is because your windows up here way too dark per statute. Okay. So if you could do me a favor, just roll this window about halfway up. That's good. Right there. So in the state of Florida, the front window can be 25%, back window can be 15%, okay? The lower the number, the darker the tint. Your front window is measuring at 3%, okay? So
I thought it went by the back window, I thought.
No, so as you can see, 3. What that means is only 3% of the outside ambient light is getting through your window. Okay, that's why they do that way. Do you have your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance? You can put this back down for me. What's that?
How's it going this morning, bro?
Living the dream.
I see that.
Living the dream.
I see you on the trail looking like what the hell happened.
Rocky Money Rudolph Jr.
Yes, sir.
That name is awesome. That's probably, in 14 years, that is probably the best name I've seen. This is the application for certificate of title.
Yeah. This is not too like
this is the registration right here.
Okay.
It's saying it's I guess your birthday's probably on the 5th. Is it? Yeah. So ultimately it's technically expired.
Yeah.
But we don't cite for that. There's case law that says it goes to the end of the month.
Yeah.
So you need to get that changed.
Yeah, well,
right?
I'm doing this new project down here, that homeless community thing they doing.
Okay.
I'm building that there, working down there, building on that and stuff.
Okay.
So I'll be through the area all the time.
All right. Well, yeah, make sure you get that updated. And do you have the insurance card?
Well, I did it over the phone, and they pulled the fax everything over. And they sent it to my baby mama address, and I ain't been dealing with her. I got to probably go out there and get it.
Do you have an app or anything? You should be able to get it on an app if you've got to sign into the app. Yeah. I just gotta check and make sure it's good.
Yeah, it's good. I just hate that stuff.
Why are you nervous?
Oh, she's caught.
Huh?
No, ain't no reason. I think I got bad nerves. I ain't got no reason to be nervous. Just some nerves.
What's that?
Just some I got bad nerves.
Okay. There's no need to be nervous, man.
Yeah, man. I was wondering, I was like, I did. I thought it was the light or something. Looking like, no, I ain't running the light. 10. Yeah. It's pet peeve of mine. I was just trying to see where you were going because it's seriously unsafe to be pulling cars over there, man. So I don't know. That's what I was wondering. Like, I try and follow somebody so they get in a safe area. Oh, okay. For me, you know, and then I attempt to stop. Yeah, we don't need Facebook. Infinity Auto Insurance. Unless you want to Facebook Live us and be like, hey. Who knows my email? I think it couldn't make me. I just paid it. It's going to be about time for you to get a new license. Yeah, I know I get all that stuff straight now. I've been so busy, man. Right? No, I got to take a day off. I tell you.
Y'all working today?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, unfortunately, today being your day off, everything else is closed too. Oops, sorry. Awesome. All right. Mr. Rudolph.
Yes, sir.
Is there any reason why there would be a faint of weed coming out of your vehicle? Do you smoke? Do you have any friends that smoke? Anything like that?
No, sir. Just black and mild. Probably black and mild smoke.
No, I know the difference between black and mild smoke and this and that. Do you have any marijuana in the car?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there's no marijuana in the car at all? Okay. And do you have a Florida health card that allows you to smoke medical marijuana?
No, sir.
No? Okay. What's that? Okay. Yeah, I did too. I had to go to the bathroom, something fierce.
Oh, that was you I seen back then. I just rolled through there.
You see me go in there, go to the bathroom, come back out.
Okay, I just rolled through and dropped the chick off at work in there. Yeah, okay. I seen the car back then, but I don't know. First thing in the morning.
All right. Can you do me a favor and just shut the car off for me?
What happened, sir?
Huh? Well, I smell marijuana, and you don't have a card, so I'm not. Listen. I'm not concerned with some personal use stuff, man. It doesn't even warrant my time.
Marijuana is black and mild. Let's look at black and mild.
Would you mind shutting the car off, please? Huh?
I'm smoking a black and mild.
I understand. Just shut the car off for me, please. Okay? It's no big deal. I mean, I'm not.
Like I said, hey. To marijuana, bro.
Listen. Do me a favor. I'm telling you right now. Stop! Put it in park. Put your hands up. Let me know you're just trying to take off with me. Step them up now. Sir, I'm telling you. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. I swear to God. Put your hands up. You put it in park.
Charlie, 10-6, 10-32 for the units on 1050 and 46 and West Pineapple.
The driver dragged the deputy, who was hanging onto the window, for more than 100 yards before throwing him from the SUV and onto the pavement. During the struggle, the deputy fired several shots, but only one round hit the suspect in the foot as he sped off with patrol cars chasing behind him. The suspect eventually ditched the SUV and fled on foot, and before long, the area was swarming with law enforcement. Inside the suspect's abandoned vehicle, deputies found a handgun that had been reported stolen out of Seminole County in 2016, along with cannabis, evidence that helped explain why this convicted felon had gone to such extreme lengths to escape, knowing he never should have been caught with either.
Unit station post. Advise your location.
What is any additional? 2413, I'm 1097.
Where?
On scene.
We don't need everybody to 2-5. One person will suffice. Get a perimeter going.
Okay. Where's other people at?
His gun. We just gotta find his gun.
Okay.
Let's get another unit at Central Court and Wallace Court.
I picked up his body camera off the road
Thank you.
A little bit ago.
Do you see a gun anywhere?
No. We had the gun. He was holding the gun to the guy. What it looked like. The guy had it.
The guy's vehicle's over there?
Yeah. That's the vehicle that he had pulled over.
Do you see a gun anywhere?
10-4.
Was he hit?
It occurred at 46 and
Was he hit?
No, he was drugged, from what I understand, by the guy in this vehicle up here. He fled over the fence towards Verizon.
Okay.
That's why they're sitting up there.
All right. His gun's missing. That's what I'm looking for.
What?
His gun is missing.
Drive the international apartment. You can give me that window. If you jump the fence, I'm going to have to get over the fence.
Black male, about 6'2",
So I might want to start.
royal blue shirt, black pants.
Come on, when you jump the fence, I can start on the other side.
Backside of that building right there.
Right there?
Through the trees.
How long ago?
15 minutes.
Okay.
Right after it happened, I saw the spin out and stuff.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Here, give me 1 second. Hey.
I'm at Reinhardt.
Yeah, we looked over and saw the officer hit the ground and saw the black Cadillac flipping around in the ditch.
All right.
He ran between the parking garage and the building through the trees.
2413 to all units. The suspect ran between the parking garage and this business building from I-4, hopped the fence and went that way.
What was he seen wearing?
What's the description?
What was he seen?
About 6'2".
Black male, approximately 6'2".
Blue royal blue shirt and black pants.
And black pants.
Somebody back there, somebody back there stripping the football field across from the Starbucks.
I mean, he was just a little bit taller than this fence.
May or may not be related. I'm not sure. He could be blending in with the people that's playing on the field. Where was that at? Starbucks.
All right, I'm going to leave you with this.
Copy.
And another deputy will be here to speak to you. All right, but just fill this out. You're a witness, so you just fill out the top part, if you don't mind, and then the back of what you saw, okay? Exactly what you saw.
There's a bunch of people playing this game. I'm not sure if he just blended in or if it's even him. What was that last location you called out?
Hey, man. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Have you been stopped already?
No.
All right. Somebody matching your description, actually. Just ran from the police. So
Just ran?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Do you have any ID on you?
No, I have it in my car.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to jot down your name, okay?
Sure.
Where are you coming from?
I'm from home.
Okay. Where do you live? Okay.
But I parked my car over there by
the Verizon building?
Yeah.
Did you see anybody running?
No,
with a
I saw the cop siren.
Okay.
I'm the deputy county engineer for Seminole County.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I have your card?
Yes.
Arms, arms.
There you go.
I saw the cop with the siren going on.
Yeah, it was a black male, kind of bigger, wearing a blue shirt, and so that's why, I stopped with you.
Okay.
All right, but...
Well, I'll be coming back this way.
Okay, thank you. I got your information, so...
916, you have been told by a cyclist, I'm on the pedestrian bridge, that he's on the trail right before you get onto the pedestrian bridge over by the Starbucks. That's what he said he saw left.
After multiple law enforcement agencies, including the Seminole County Sheriff's Office SWAT unit, joined the manhunt, the suspect, 38-year-old Rocky Rudolph Jr., was finally captured hours later while being driven by a family member in an apparent attempt to flee the county, still suffering from a gunshot wound to the leg.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll bring my car up right here, and then we'll switch out.
Yeah, just like one of these SWAT guys can just jump in his car and like bring it back to Primera, or are you working now? Or are you?
Got license, registration,
He was taken to the hospital to be treated for the gunshot wound to the leg, then later booked into jail, where he was charged with attempted manslaughter by act, aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, resisting an officer without violence, fleeing or attempting to elude a police officer, attempting to deprive an officer of means of protection or communication, and possession of cannabis. He was ultimately found guilty on all counts and sentenced to 30 years in state prison.